In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 705 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 7. We know that 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Now subtract this 5 from 7. We get 2. Now this 2 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this 0 here. And we know that 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Subtract, we get a 0. Now this 0 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this 5 here. Now see that this is the number 5. So we can remove this 0. And we know that 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 705 divided by 5 is equal to 141. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.